your agents are now actively pursuing Senator De La Rosa? And if so, without giving away too much, what's the game plan? What are the main challenges? And are there still impending legal obstructions to being able to enforce this arrest warrant?
Well, first of all, there's already an order from DOJ for us to enforce the warrant issued by the ICC. So, there's no reading between the lines. Simple lang, we'll enforce the warrant. Pag nakita namin siya, arrestuin namin siya. Pero hinahanap namin siya ngayon. That is the problem now because of yung nangyari na protective custody ng Senate. Because there was a gentleman's agreement, lalaking usapan na pagka kailangan nang i-present si Senator Bato, the Senate will be the one to present him. Now that there is no TRO na binigay, ibig sabihin, walang status quo ante na binigay, ibig sabihin, the warrant is valid. It can be enforced. So, wala na kaming explanation na bibigay. If there's an ongoing actions that we are undertaking, of course, there's a dedicated teams to look after him. And we will arrest him. Basta nakita namin siya.
And this is a nationwide operation.
NBI is located, meron kaming officers located nationwide, and that is an order to every law enforcement agent of the NBI. And I think the same way with the Philippine National Police.
Are you working within a specific timeline? Are we looking at weeks, months?
We don't have a timeline because if we will see him today, we will arrest him today. If we will see him tomorrow or next week, we will arrest him. But we are right now looking for him. Kung paano siya umalis noon sa Senado, we're tracking it back now.
Thank you.
I hope I can answer that kasi sa law enforcement kami, hindi ko naman pwedeng ma-second guess yung behavior. But ang sinasabi ko lang nga, if we will base it on the records of Bureau of Immigration, walang records pa, no? But you have to, of course, you have to remember yung geographical setup ng Pilipinas, di ba? There are a lot of points of entries and exits. Pero, di ba? So ako na lang, I have to appeal kay Senator Bato, baka nanonood siya. Mas maganda siguro, sumuko na lang siya. Kasi dalawang bagay naman yan Arestuhin ka o sumuko ka. So here's an option na sumuko.
Sir, officially nag-launch na yung NBI ng manhunt operation.
There is an operation being done. There's a dedicated team tracking him to locate him. So meron ginagawang efforts ang NBI now.
Hi, Direk. MJ po from Inquirer. Direk, pahabol lang. If ever po na yung warrant nga po ay ma-serve na, ano po yung i-expect ng public? Where will he be detained po first? Or i-detain po ba muna siya or ita-transfer na sa ICC katulad ng nangyari kay Express Duterte?
Once the law enforcement got hold of Senator Bato, na-aresto siya, ang next step namin will turn over it to the Department of Justice. And from there, the Department of Justice will be the one to take care of Senator Bato.
And meron po ba kayong panawagan sa public na kunyari tumulong sa paghahanap kay Senator Bato?
Well, hindi na siguro kailangan manawagan ng law enforcement because it's our obligation as a citizens of the country to help kung mayroong mga fugitive from justice na alam natin, to help us, to help the law enforcement to arrest. Lalong-lalo na alam naman natin maraming biktima, no? So we have to, nakita nyo ba yung parang hindi naman na makapagsalita yung mga namatay So this is the process that he has to face. So kailangan subuko siya, and to the public na merong knowledge na pwede nyong itulong sa law enforcement, I urge you to help the law enforcement to locate and arrest Senator Bato de la Rosa.